Hey, so I have a Mitsubishi Triton here. We're going to be doing the full front bar. This one's cracked here and all the way through there. Here, it's all the cracks. And then, same on the other side. It's all cracked and held in by silicone. So we'll get all that fixed. Hey, so the Mitsubishi Triton is finished. Let's have a look. Underneath it's all put back together. It's not perfect, but the extent of that was crazy. And once they give it a good wash and a cut and polish, the colour should match perfect.